Welcome back, viewers, to our channel Easy Cook. Today we're going to show you how to prepare a delicious and mouth-watering beef stew. Before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to stay updated with our latest recipes. Let's dive right in. First of all, we are going to add 1 kilogram beef in a pan. After adding 1 kg beef in the pan, we will add 3 to 4 chopped onion and garlic cloves. Don't hesitate to pause the video if you need more time to follow along. After that, we will add half kg yogurt and some oil. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Then we're going to add the spices. At first, we will add salt, coriander, red chili, cinnamon sticks, some cloves, black cardamom, cummins, and black pepper. So let's discuss beef stew eating benefits. 1. High-quality protein source for muscle repair and growth. 2. Rich in essential vitamins and minerals for overall health. 3. Provides iron to support healthy blood production. 4. Contains zinc, vital for immune system function. 5. Filled with antioxidants that protect cells from damage. 6. Offers a good dose of B vitamins for energy metabolism. 7. Promotes satiety and aids in weight management. 8. Supports bone health with its calcium content. After adding all the spices, we will add curry powder. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you find the recipe helpful. A bit of red chili powder. Let's not rush. Cooking is all about enjoying the process. And add some water. Now let's move on to the next stage of our cooking process. As we are not cooking in the pressure cooker, so we will cook it on slow heat for at least 1 hour, till the meat is tender, and soften. Take a moment to appreciate the wonderful aroma of different ingredients blending together. After an hour, when the oil comes up onto the beef, it seems ready and looks quite delicious. We've carefully selected fresh and high-quality ingredients for this recipe. You all must try this. It is a very unique recipe and easy to cook. This beef stew is a true crowd pleaser and is sure to impress your family and friends. The beef stew is ready to be served, and we can't wait to hear how it turned out for you. If you loved this recipe, make sure to check out our other cooking videos for more culinary inspiration. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, happy cooking. Leave us a comment if you have any questions. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.